Got everything pretty much clean up. The last thing I always try to do is every time I do a service, I just check my service valves and make sure that everything is tight, and then we're good to go. My office told me that they got another service call for me, maybe more than one, so I may see you guys down the road, and if I don't, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Try like 5 times and then she's locked out. Let's see what they got for code. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 no 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right. hotel to no ignition. Alright. I'll be right back. Alright. What I guess is happening is that the flame sensor is dropping off. So I'm gonna try to clean it. So I just need a piece of sandpaper. Let's see if that makes the trick. Now, I don't know if I have a flame sensor like that. It's a long tip of flame sensor. Alright, sorry I cannot talk, but it's a beauty salon and I don't want to disturb, so I don't want them to get scary of me, so let's come back inside. Let's see if this can make it. Alright. Let's see. Got flame all the way down. That's a good thing. All right. Let's try again.
Yeah, I mean, I could drive it if I want, but you can totally ride it like there, walk, run, or just close. For another day, but I'm taking all my sons with him. She has 3 dogs.
That was an easy call, not a big deal. I just cleaned the flame sensor. Now they have heat again. They said that they lost heat since the morning until an hour ago, and all of a sudden the unit fire, and you know, probably the flame sensor it catch the reading in one point. So I just shut the thermostat off and turn it back on and call for heat, and then I noticed that every time that the furnace is trying to fire, she was failing to do it. The flame sensor, it was dirty. I just cleaned it up and it's fine now. But I'm gonna order a new sensor for these people just in case, because they just told me that they've been having many issues with this unit, and I saw a couple parts that someone else replaced already. So I'm just gonna play safe and get the flame sensor for them, but they're gonna be alright for right now. I'm gonna start doing some paperwork, and we're gonna start driving to the second service call on the night that we have today. This is a joke. I've been waiting for a few minutes. So I decided to open this electrical compartment. Not a good mark. Those are the wires. Those are the wires that I removed, and then I replaced them with these ones. I didn't have a red wire, so I take a red, so we match the diagram schematic. So now I'm gonna put everything back together and I'm gonna check this fuse. How things can change so quickly. After I clean the condenser coil, replace the contactor, replace wirings. System is empty. Freaking unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alright, this is the plan. The system is flat, so I'm gonna check the compressor, make sure that the compressor is still alive. Then I'm gonna shoot some nitrogen in the system and do an electronic leak test and see if I can pick it up where the leak is. I mean, it's flat, completely flat, so the leak should be someplace visible. Let's check continuity. Alright, wiring things are good. Let's check if it's grounded. Alright, compressor is healthy. Alright. Finally, after extensive research, I think I found it. My probe for my lead detector is on the coil. Got constant solid readings. And is, I'm losing pressure, but I can hear it. I can hear it in the coil, but I cannot pinpoint it. But I know it's there. I can hear it. Let me see, probably you can hear it better, but I can hear it. Freaking nightmare, man. Freaking nightmare. Oh, Jesus Christ. I know the leak is there, but I want to see it. I want to see it, you know. It just, I know the leak detector is telling me that it's there, but I want to see it. I can pick it up from the other end too. God damn it. Alright guys, not a good night. It's not a good night. I'm freaking tired. I am very frustrated. Alright guys, I'll let you know the next days what's gonna happen with this. It's 9:45. I'm gonna start doing paperwork. I get here at 6:45, so I spent 3 hours fighting with this freaking unit, changing the contactor, replacing all the burned wires, cleaning the coil, and the most obvious freaking thing, the most important thing at all, I found it at the freaking end. Because there's nothing else I can do. The freaking refrigerant leak is located at the condenser coil. I can hear it. The leak detector can see it. I cannot see it, and I hate that. I need to see it. I want to see it, but I have to trust the leak detector. The leak detector is telling me that it's there, and I can hear it. I can hear it's there. The blade. That blade on the right side is all oily. It's a brand new unit. It got less than 2 years. It's incredible. Incredible. I hate when this happen. You know, I get the expectations that, because with this unit it's always the same problem. The condenser coil is dirty, the condenser coil is dirty, because these people don't clean it and they don't want to do PMs. So that's what I thought was gonna happen, but it turned out into this freaking nightmare. And the previous unit, the previous sandwich cooler they had, it was even worse. We replaced this unit 2 years ago, but the previous unit, it was every weekend something going on, something going on for 2 years, until this place decided to replace it with this sandwich cooler, which is the same brand but an updated model. And so for many long time, the people that comes to buy over here say, hey, again the sandwich cooler is done again. Say, yeah. In one point, people just recognize me by the name. Say, hey Alex, how you doing? Because every week I was here fighting with something, so people knew me by the name. Hey Alex, what happened? The sandwich cooler again? Say yes, the freaking sandwich cooler again. And I've been working for 3 hours and the same thing. People asking, hey, how you doing? Good. Sandwich cooler down again. But it's new, right? Yeah, yeah. You know, for the people who are in the field, like the people who is watching now, probably you feel like the other people is watching you like you don't know what you're doing. That's why you are coming every week, and that pissed me off, man. That feeling pissed me off, because believe me, I've been trying everything with the previous unit, and now I can see that the nightmare is coming back on this one now. But anyways, I'm tired, so I'm gonna start doing paperwork and I'm gonna leave. I just wanna get out of here. I just wanna disconnect my mind completely. My level of frustration and angry and pissed is really high. I just wanna disconnect my mind and try to slow down a little, so when I get home I'm not so bad. But anyways, many of you probably know what I'm talking about. That feeling is terrible. It can be with you for days, and with me it's that way. I can have this feeling for days. Anyways, alright guys, thank you for staying, thank you for watching. Sorry if I'm kind of angry now, but it pissed me off. I will show you in the future, if they send me back to do the repairs, I will shoot a video for sure to show you how everything is going. But thank you guys, thank you for staying.